abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Hello, welcome guys. Linjani, welcome to Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Deb3 Events, company specializing ngokuplana organizer ama-events. So guys, what Deb3 does is they provide sound engineering services, PA system hire, stage hire, LED screens, lighting solutions, yonke into vele oyabuyidinga for your events. Also, Deb3 also does ama-fog machines, smoke machines, sparklers. Ngingachonela lokho engiqamba into ezenziwa i-Deb3. So guys, whenever you're planning your event, be it a social event, be it a family event, corporate, community, just contact Deb3 using the contact details on your screen. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube. Ngihamba lo munye ubhuti so owaphosa waba muhle. He's almost handsome. General.
Yeah. Sanibonani. Hello, this is General Leslie. Waphosa waba muhle according to Nonduduzo. And we bring you Enkundleni exclusive with our very proud partners, Oguhle Designs and Scaftin Chicken. Like for all your flyers, for all your posted designs, for all your banners, anything that is design and printing related, visit Oguhle Designs and bazakwenzela into ezinhle kakhulu. Uzabona iskip enyabe ngisigqoke next week esabe sivele ukuhle ukuthi sabe sinja. Then nje kulesitshwala samabili iScaftin Chicken.
Oh really? I didn't know.
I can't teach you everything.
No, you can't teach me everything. Okay.
I can't teach you everything.
Otherwise, guys, I really do hope you had an amazing Easter holiday, Independence, ZITF. It's been a packed month. Nyanga April, it was packed. Even Lama events, we saw a lot of entertainment events. Akade senzakala khona apha koBulawayo. So the major one obviously being ZITF.
Yeah. Le Easter bese ngikhodle. Mina ngabona uJesu eCountry Park.
Okay, Zilizon.
uJesu babebhoda la egada idonki. No, that was so creative.
What the
hell? So you know ukuthi kule nto yamakatholika la ukuthi bayabhoda kuthiwa yi-palm
Sunday or Palm whatever.
but it happens before ukuvuka.
Okay.
So babhoda noJesu wabo ngathi abasibili ngathi nawo ngumsindisi.
Okay.
Happy. Iviki yakhona so even imali ibingamphiki so. Ngithi vele ngingavele ngani ziyangikhaba ngithi msindisi. Shu seduze kona eCountry Park.
Leslie, don't you think that was coincidence?
Ukuthini?
Ukuthi ubambe imali.
When I touched the helm mina.
Don't you think that was coincidence?
Hayi wena ungafuni discourage faith yami. Ngabona umsindisi eCountry Park. Do you know ukuthi wayelandelwa abantu abaningi? Like abaningi iHoly Trinity yonke imlandela so eqokisiwe ameva. So siyamborisa. Again. So Easter ibimnandi.
Yeah,
Hayi bimnandi. Easter yakho ibinjani? Hambe church?
Yeah, mine was good. Ngihambile church.
Wadli ama biscuits le wine.
Ngathatha iHoly Communion.
Mina fortunately nganjombile so ngahambe ama-church angu-4 ngeSunday. First church ngangikwazi la ukuthi ama-communion esikhalwane. Wena ama-thought angu-4 yabusuright. 4 thoughts of 4 brothers. Ngirangile one uthi thought la uhlupha uchaye phansi so yithayimela ngale so nxa ufika vele uthole sokuyisikhathi sokudobha amangwanda uhlube holi udobha ingwanda lakho.
Bese ukuthiya ilizwe lizalunga kulabantu abanjengabo lesi.
What's fair, Msindisi?
Because
Like,
sometimes it does right when we have people like Leslie. So, guys, we also saw one of the major happenings go Bulawayo, the ZITF.
Yeah.
It's one of the biggest events here in Bulawayo and in the country, in Zimbabwe, in SADC region. We saw a lot of things happened, and of interest was Chief Dagamel.
Bayethe.
So Chief Dagamela
wezulu.
ubebhoda ipareda kuthiwa yini? Lamabutho, you know.
Lamatshitshi, logasolo. Yeah. Khona nxa ukukhangele ukuthi ngubonele evidweni, but nxa ukukhangele hayi bekukuhle sibili. Bekukuhle. Yeah, hayi bekukuhle.
Leslie.
Hmm?
This is a safe space. This is a safe space.
Mina ningakulela esithenjini so
Mm.
umama eve njaye endlini athi. It was nice, though it did not make much sense to me. Yeah.
How?
Angazi ukuthi bekuyi exhibit of culture yini. Alright, anti ngiyabona like kutshengiswa amaNdebele.
Mhm,
Kutshengiswa iculture yamaNdebele and
mhm.
then silo chief lai uchifu because anilapha nxa si exhibita lapana kufana lokuthi kuya act andobona bekule gorilla lenyaratho lelia kalakati gorilla besithi nyaratho wathi inkulu then abo
Okay.
Mr Sinkwa labo maybe babe befaka odoli babo and
Mm.
so equally nxa singafuna maybe ukutshengisa iculture yamaNdebele and sakwanisa ukugqokisa abantu abasaziyo isintu whatever. But now ukuba laye ngokwakhe uchief elandelwa ngamabutho aweshuwa lenyosi yamashuwa lamatshitshi sibili esiwabonayo sibili ehamba lenkosi ehamba laye futhi kucina angazi ukuthi mina ndamfunda kakhulu so kuyabe kulokho kuyi exhibit yini kumbe
Well, I don't know how it was planned.
ngoba anti upresident angabuya and ehamba lamasotsha amashuwa afike yenze like exactly konke akwenzayo
Mhm.
i-exhibit kumbe singasebenzisa omunye umuntu ongayisuyena upresident then amasotsha lawo edisplay ukuthi hayi nxa kuyimpi ora empini phela nxa sokuyimpi yamashuwa akuseyo exhibit sezikhala lapha but nxa sishaya ama-drill laphana ukuthi kungaba lesitha siyaspina so then sesidubule so anilana i-exhibit la so mina I think having uchief ngokwakhe lamatshitshi ngokwawo lamabutho ngokwawo lenyosi ngokwayo I think what asithini
You think it
uchief
was overdone?
ubebhoda
It was overdone.
yeah it was
Okay.
it was
So here the problem is the chief doing it, but it's how it was done. And that's what
I'm
you're
not sure because I don't want to say anything was wrong and
saying. Mhm.
my question is ukuhamba kwenduna labantu labana esiyabuka ezitendini because madoda alright kuzathiwa mina ndithanda ukukhuluma but siyahlangana la uDakamele esikhambela yedwa kwayo phala esihle emjoveni esesikole
Different events.
so laphana bekuyini exactly obesokufuna
Esemjoveni.
iqiniso phela iqiniso
Okay.
Nancane man. So mina into engibuzayo ukuthi okwenza like maybe ngcenye ukhona umuntu onganginceda ku comment section and ngizwisisa ukuthi i-significance yakhona ngeyani exactly.
I think he
Was
was.
he one of the invited guests ukuthi sicela ubuye angazi
You're probably.
ubezibhodela nje yini enguDakamele siyabuka kumbe there was something beyond because nxa ezibhodela enguDakamele siyabuka nti amabutho ethu lamatshitshi ethu lenyosi zethu
I think you're not going to get the answer in terms of Uti was he invited to do what he did. But mina ngokubona kwami personally, I think it was more of a show off on our rich culture. I think maybe he didn't plan it properly, but he thought ukuthi lapha anti assume it's an assumption. I think he thought ukuthi it's a chance to showcase the cultural side of Matabeleland and Bulawayo to because anti kula bantu bemzini bekula bantu bemzini. So I think we sort of like yembonani thing to abantu bemzini.
Right.
Like ukuzibonakalisa to abantu bemzini. I think
My
that's
fear,
what it
my
was.
only fear is nxa sisemiklomelweni anti kumbe sisesikhumbuzweni senkosi umzilikazi kumbe sisegadada anti we know, you remember what I said kuqala lapha siyafaka umagwaza then sesifufa inkosi and we know ukuthi laphana yinto eyenzakalayo. So what if omunye umuntu oweTanzania ongakwaziyo achazwe ukugqoka kwamajiji aqalisa ukwadonsa wabambe sithi asithathe nama picture and si show off culture.
I don't think umuntu ole mindset enjalo necessarily needs ukuthi uchief ahambe ayenze parade.
Ayi anti siphakathi sife kulabantu abaningi abayehlukeneyo anti and lawana ngamajiji lawa and amajiji aphathwa kuhle.
Yeah.
Amajiji ukuthi even lathi sibili nxa sisendaweni lamajiji asivunyelwa vele ukudlalela phansi kwawo anti but ase trade fair and bayazibhodela nje which is a good thing anti kungaba le incident ke yokuthi ukhona osesithi buyani sithathe nama picture kumbe bagcine be offside lapha ba protectwa njani lapha
Antu thibe kula mabutho.
amabutho bemangayi
obuyayo ngoba kunezinduna eziningi izinduna eziningi zonke
zibuye soyana yini ngoba ziningi phela
Yeah,
induna
kuyagcina
zesintwini
kungasela
ziningi
order.
kakhulu induna and so iyazihambela nje kuhle anti even ngabe mhlawumbe anti sithi ubetshengisa isiko anti mhlawumbe ngabe ubesihambela nje kumbe lamabutho amabili besibhodela ngabantu bakhe abamkhangeleyo anti kungabi kakhulu but mhlawumbe ngiyaphambanisa phela ngiyezwa semkhuzwa abantu besintwini abafuni
Sewuhlalise phansi.
ngiyezwa semkhuzwa la sokuthiwa wena usukhuluma
So
kakhulu but
I'm
ngisho
just,
ukuthi
I just khona also ukukhulunywa ukuthi what if amanye ama-chief lawo angayenza the same thing
because next
obviously
year's
kuyaba
trade fair
kuyagcina kungasela order and
yes
something
yes
like that.
and kuyasidelelisa thina
I think and hope ukuthi next year uzakwenza ngendlela.
but indlela anti asiyazi so
Now the thing is, you guys are saying this, and I've been seeing positive views, perspective on social media about
yes
that.
yes
People seem to be liking and supporting it. Maybe it's because it's something new.
very
Engakayenza okungakayenzakala ukuthi kugcwala ama-chief lawo esenza njalo. Maybe that could be the reason. But I just saw people really being excited about
yeah
it.
I was
And
too.
also mina ngibona kwami I think from khona lokho kwenzakeleyo I'm just hoping because it gave us something to talk about is it
Yeah,
TF because
yeah.
ibiqanda
yeah
ibiqanda it was
ibingela lutho
so ukholokhana okwezwe ngu-chief Dakamela kuyenze nje yangani kule something etrendayo.
No,
So I'm thinking ukuthi iZITF the institution itself ikubonile khona lokho and will take advantage of that.
yeah because
Ikusebenzise
I think
kuma-plans ayo next time.
a point I think which I'm getting from that is the issue of inclusion. Ukuthi ungahamba e-trade fair grounds it's always the same since ngimncane nggrade 5 kwenzakala into ezifanayo imbuzi matshe then kusasa sebespina and but what if we also introduce culture xa
Exactly.
ingena sibili uDakamela lamabutho lamatshitshi kube yinto sibele official ukuthi umdala angangena induna zizangena inyosi phela yashaya inyosi nxa zishaswe ipoetry lapha so I think nxa kungathathwa khonkana kufakwe sibili kuthiwe hayi khathesi le yinto esinjani esisenzakalayo kuhle. Yikho ungizwe lanxa ngiqala nje akukho kubi khona, kodwa kusuka nje kungani kuba
Yeah.
ngoba into zesintwini zifuna ukuphathwa ngesintu sakhona.
Yes.
Akumelanga ukuthi mina ngithathe i-advantage ukuthi ngingumasuku bese ngisithi sengigrume yami ami
It's sensitive
yezwa
stuff.
ngendaba. Hayi, kumele ngilandele isiko lakhona. Njalo mvunyela even ngiyinduna, bakhona abadala okumele bamvumele ukwenza ulutho. Kodwa mhlawumbe uvunyelwe yikho ngisithi kangikwazi kakhulu ngama-questions nje abegijima
Plus,
ekhanda lami.
plus, you know what, Leslie? I also think it's a good thing in the sense yokuthi into lezi mostly they happen outside the city of Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Zenzakala khona ngale nkayi, zenzakala, you know, outside Bulawayo. And you find ukuthi kulabantwana labantu abadala who have never been there
Yeah,
because of different reasons,
yeah,
different
yeah,
restrictions,
yeah,
and
yeah.
and nxa sokubuye trade fair, these people can easily access trade fair. So I think nxa sokusenzakala trade fair, it's also showing bona laba bangazake baye ngale khatshana sebekwanisa ukuthi babone ezinye izinto
Yeah.
eziyabe zibukwa ngale bazibonele khona lapha e-trade fair. So
And
I'm just-
even like nxa ukukhangele sibili and kuhle sibili okuyinto kwakhona, so uyazi ufisa ukuthi ngabe lami beni lapha, and then laba kade betshinga ukuthi inyosi wayebithwele isupha wena unathi.
ukubone ngapi Leslie?
Serious se-comment umuntu etshinga ukuthi why inyosi ithwele isupha ngathi
Uyakwazi ukuthi enye problem
inyosi ithwele utshwala besintu wena uyetshinga.
enye problem maybe bekumele ithwale ingwebu.
Laphana kakutshengisanga ibrand. Utshwala kade buthwele bebungatshengisi ibrand yotshwala buthwele.
Ukuthi maybe bekuyileyani kuthiwa yini leyani
Ingwebu layo isilezigubhu ezinjalo, and
Yeah.
futhi singafuni ukuthatha into siyitshintshe. iChibuku asoyiHarare, iChibuku ngeZambia. iDelta ile depot koBulawayo la.
ibizo leli Chibuku.
Hayi vele uChibuku asobizo leHarare. Ibizo leZambia.
But
iChibuku iqalisele eZambia.
imakethwa ngesi-Hararian, guys.
Hayi,
Which
hayi,
means vele
hayi, ngiyala mina, ngiyala. iChibuku iyenza i-road to fame yama-traditional dance, isiwino kakhulu
nginika
koBulawayo.
i-tagline yeChibuku ngesindebele.
I-tagline angiyazi mina. Anti mina natha abo John Walker Blue. Angiyazi mina.
Okay, so and then moving on from the ZITF thing, we saw I shutdown. I-emergency ibinini kanje
Emergency was just before ZITF.
just before
I think
ZITF.
during Easter kwamba.
Yeah.
Yeah, which then explains abantu bebesechechi. Yabo, abantu bebesechechi because lami nginje ani ngitsho ukuthi bengu research yami yama communion. Ngitsho lay for brothers le lay namakhwa le mbota. And I think yiko abantu behayanga kumanje nsipho.
Mina into engiyibonileyo about both March and Sip and shut down. I think kumele bahlale phansi le city council. Kumele kuhlale phansi kukhulunyiswane, not only these two, but ama event organizers, event planners, especially arts events, you know, entertainment events and stuff. I think kumele bahlale phansi